The Train in EastEnders. British soap opera EastEnders is, well, a soap opera. It doesn't need to be believable. However, one 2017 episode was criticized for its completely fake-looking special effects. During an emotional scene, where a character weeps on a roof, a train passes in the distance, a clearly fake train. Viewers immediately began lampooning the show. The fight scenes in Power Rangers. The CGI in Power Rangers leaves a lot to be desired. Many of the enemies are clearly digital characters, and the Power Ranger suits, Zords, look too cartoony compared to the gritty action. The fight scenes are even worse. Every participant seems to lack weight, look like CGI effects rather than real individuals. Climactic battle in Wonder Woman. For such a rapturously received film, Wonder Woman did face criticism for its final fight sequence. This climactic battle is rendered largely using CGI, making the clash between Wonder Woman and Ares feel much less dramatic. The action seems fake, as the CGI characters don't appear to have weight or be affected by the world around them. Pennywises Teeth In IT. Although IT proved to be a success, some people took issue with the amount of CGI used instead of practical effects. In particular, the scene in which Pennywise bites Georgie's arm came under fire. The teeth just look fake while sinking into the little boy's flesh, though maybe that's for the best. The sequence is disturbing enough. The Fire in Baywatch. The Fire in Baywatch. Henry Cavills removed Mustache in Justice League. Henry Cavills removed Mustache in Justice League. Medusa's hair in Marvel's Inhumans. Medusa's hair in Marvel's Inhumans. The Deer in the Walking Dead. The Deer in the Walking Dead.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.